One of my friends left in my comments recently about glitter glue. And this comment was, can you blend with glitter glue? I did answer that, but I want to do a demo, which I've never done. I'm getting ready to do a demo for her, and we're going to see together what happens. Will it be a disaster or will it not be a disaster? I am going to put glitter glue on my eye, and then I am going to blend eyeshadow over it. Not shimmer, but regular eyeshadow, because we know glitter glue holds shimmer very well. Let's try it and see if it holds up with matte eyeshadow. And my friend have a YouTube channel, and the name is Patina Loves. She creates beautiful eyeshadow looks. She tells you about her daily struggles with grief, and she also talks about her makeup, and she has 2 beautiful little puppies. Patina Loves. Let me show you. I want you to see it. I don't want it to get drowned in. I want it to look so good. So good. This is her right here. Go check her out. Let her know you're visiting because her friend sent you over. You might not see a new video right now because she's taking a little bit of time to refresh herself and her mind. But play something. Just watch an old video and send her some love. Give her some hearts and let her know that she's loved. We all need that. Patina Loves. That is her again. Now together, let's see what glitter glue do. I'm using the NYX glitter glue. I am going to squeeze some on the back of my hand. And I'm doing plenty. I'm doing plenty because demos need a plenty. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to put it. I already have a simple look on, but I'm going to put something over it just so we can see what happens. Okay, I'm doing one eye at a time because I have the fan on, and that will dry my glitter glue over. So this is the eye without, this is the eye with. Let's see if we create something beautiful or something disastrous. Yeah, this is so interesting. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place. It is the Magic Mini. It is a cute palette. I am going to use this matte right here. It's a very, very dark purple. And I am going to see, well, we are going to see how that works with the glitter glue. Okay, can we blend? I usually put my colors first and then blend. So I'm putting it the way I would regularly do my eyeshadow, and then we'll see if we can blend it, right? That's the color. I'll intensify. We're doing the second eye because when I start blending, I want to blend everything as we go. Now I am putting glitter glue over here. I'm holding my eye this way so I don't get it everywhere with my hooded eyes. So we are trying this glitter glue. We gotta see if this thing blends, right? I've never done a full eye with glitter glue and matte shades. I have always done my matte shades first and then glitter glue on top of it and then put my shimmers and then blend. So this is new. Okay, now I'm going to take a different brush so we can blend. Now I have a fluffy blending brush, and I am going to see if we can blend, over glitter glue. And you are seeing everything in action as I am doing it. No editing, no going fast or any slower, just regular how it's supposed to be. And I am blending that shade, then I'm having no problem. I am not having any problems. Remember, I had a brown eyeshadow done already. I'm just going over it. I went over it with the glitter glue and then another color just so we can see. I didn't want to use brown. I want to use something where you can actually see what's happening. And yes, it is blendable. You can blend over the glitter glue. I have no trouble blending. I'm going to come closer so you can see. As you can see, it is blending. I need the mirror to see. I'm blending right in front of you with the glitter glue. First, I put my eyeshadow on it, and I'm taking a clean brush to blend it. And it is blending with no problems. So thanks, Patina Love, for that comment, because now you can try it. Try it and see if it works. It works for me. I'm looking in the big magnifying mirror and it worked. I put glitter glue, then I use this brush to apply the shade and a clean brush to blend it, and it blended with no problem. I'm just going through a whole different way of doing it just to see, because I've always done it, blend a little of the matte after I have the shimmer on. So now doing the whole matte color on there, nothing is budging. Very nice. Thank you very much for this. And again, please visit Patina Love. There might not be a new video on, but look at an old one. She does some beautiful eye looks. And she dresses it up with some very fancy, beautiful, pretty eyeglasses. So check her out. This is what Habana looks like. Thank you again, my friend, for the comment. I just wanted to do something to show you, and so I can also see for myself what would have happened. This is it. Until I see you and you see me, please, please, please make choices that will work for you. Not for anybody else, but for you. Because you come first. I will see you shortly in the next video. Bye.